after I turned the camera off, we had a chirp from over here from the there we go. Thank you. My parakeet assistants, parakeet practitioners. Thank you, darling. Thank you. That's Chi, Dr. Chi, Berkey Wilkie Museum Director, Curator, Art Critic. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. You know what I mean? Good work, darling. Good work. All right. Got a long way to go here. All right. To be continued. It's Saturday, September, I think it's the 28th. Good show, Chi. Beautiful. Thank you so much.